Ever find yourself staring at a receipt and wondering, did I really just spend that much on food? Let's change that today. Hey there, foodies. Today we're tackling budget-friendly meals. We're talking delicious, filling meals you can make for under $10. Yep, no more stressing over grocery bills or settling for bland food. We're diving into easy recipes, budget-friendly ingredients, and some cooking hacks you'll wonder how you lived without. And by the way, spoiler alert, you don't have to be a chef to make these. Stick with me till the end, and I'll throw in my all-time favorite recipe that's as cheap as it is tasty. Let me tell you, meal planning isn't just for overachievers. It's for us smart spenders too. Start by jotting down just a simple meal plan. Trust me, when you know what's on the menu, you're less likely to panic, buy snacks or fancy sauces you'll only use once. Your new best friends, rice, beans, pasta, and canned tomatoes. They're like the power players of cheap meals. Imagine this. Beans simmered with a little garlic and cumin served over rice. Or maybe a pasta loaded with roasted veggies. Tasty and budget-friendly. Here's the kicker. I've heard from loads of you in the comments that simple meal planning and sticking to affordable staples has saved you big-time cash. One viewer even told me,
well, you cut my housework in half.
What's your favorite budget recipe? Comment below. We might just feature it in our next video. Drop a comment with your favorite cheap recipe or one you want to learn to make for under $10. Let's get everyone in on these money-saving hacks. Alright, let's get cooking with some real-life, cheap recipes that'll make you wonder why you ever ate out. Let's kick things off with a quick veggie stir-fry. Saute whatever veggies you have, toss in some rice, and add a splash of soy sauce. Done in minutes, delicious and under $10. Or try this hearty bean chili with canned beans and tomatoes. Simmer it with spices, and you've got a cozy, satisfying meal perfect for any night. And don't get me started on my favorite garlic pasta with olive oil and seasonal veggies. Easy, cheap, and so tasty. When you're shopping, don't forget to hit up the frozen aisle. Those veggies are just as nutritious, often cheaper, and save you so much prep time. Today we covered everything you need to create delicious, budget-friendly meals. We talked about meal planning, choosing budget staples, and even shopping hacks. Now go try these tips and get ready to eat well without spending a fortune. Hit that subscribe button if you're ready to master budget-friendly cooking. And don't forget to like this video if these recipes made your mouth water. Let's keep cooking, saving, and eating like pros.